All right, cryptocurrency market today, opening up the day with the Filecoin. I want to talk about this one since we do have an active position in place. But it's an interesting point right now where price action just passed through, just crossed over 3.736 here, which is a local resistance level that I believe is quite significant. So the crossover is kind of an event on its own. It could trigger the next upside leg, the next upside segment, if you will, or wave, right? Because if you think about it, pricing is coming from the bottom right here. Remember this green line that represented a full Fibonacci correction, 76.4, right? That's what we started off chasing this, bullish cycle, and we've had a 1, 2, 3 extended, fourth aggressive, and now potentially the fifth, all the way up to the target, 446, according to our cross price matrix system here. 446, that's the next big one. So we already kind of dipped our fingers in the water, pulling the trigger on one trade, a single trade, right? Now we're ready to pull the trigger on the next one, the second one. Since price action already proved to break above 3736 yesterday with a close at 363.80. 374.2. 374.2. A little bit above our point of reference here. So we want to double up our position size, right? Well, first we need to make sure price action is really pulling back off of that level, as it does right now. As we can see right now as we speak, it does that, pulls back up. And right now it's actually right there on top of it, right? This all just happens right now live. But we want to see price action starting to push forward, start to show some green. We get some more confidence that it's a legit breakout, and then pulling the trigger. I'm pretty sure it's going to happen very, very soon, in the next few hours potentially. And yeah, later down the road, hopefully price action starts to push through, pick up some pace, cross the 3.9 level right here, cross the 4 level right here, and then we'll triple up, quadruple up, right, all the way to the target. 446 is a long way to go. Just make sure, we just need to make sure it passed the period of that trading range that we were basically trading. I mean, the Filecoin was trading sideways in a very tight range for a bit, right? Take a look at the 4-hour chart. This is what we're talking about. That up and down, that back and forth exchanges, and now the breakout. So clearly, if this is a false breakout, it still has another one more leg on the downside, right? That's what we're trying to figure out, whether it's a legit breakout or not on the short-term scale. So yeah, a daily close above today, by the end of the day, a daily close above will really put a lot of weight on this, on the probability of this upside push. All right, so yeah, all eyes are on the Filecoin. We got our stop loss at 3.27. Once we secure that breakout, we'll start to tighten up the stop loss level just as well. All right, guys, that's about that for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Wishing you a nice trading day. We're gonna be back tomorrow as usual. So until then, be well.